Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Get ready for something truly special from the heart of Kogi State today. I'm taking a beloved traditional delicacy, beans bread made from black-eyed beans, and giving it a delicious modern twist. I didn't just make one version, I made two. One stuffed with perfectly cooked eggs and the other enriched with fresh juicy garden eggs. If you love rich, healthy and filling meals, or you are curious about unique Nigerian dishes you've never seen before, you don't want to miss this.
So here is my black eye white beans. Sorry, I have 4 cups of black eye white beans here. So I will need to wash in order to remove the effect of the chemical preservatives. So I will wash, take note, not peel. Wash, not peel. So I will repeat this process for like 2 or 3 times, and you will see that the water itself is that I'm using to rinse it is dirty, depending on where you get your beans from. So I repeat the process. Then after washing for like 2 to 3 times, like I said, you now put enough water to cover it properly, immersed. The beans should be properly immersed in water, like you can see me do. And now I'll take it and put it on the counter, allow it to settle there for like 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours or 2.5 hours, my beans has increased in size, as you can see. Then I have the other ingredients, the garden egg, very fresh. I have my regular eggs, red oil, vegetable oil, potash, seasoning cube, chili pepper, bonnet pepper. I also have onions and salt. Then the leaves that we use to wrap. So let's get into it right away. So I have this my Odogu blender. Do I call it blender? Food processor or yam pounder. So I'm going to use it.
I pour all the beans into my food processor. The beans, as you can see, has been properly rinsed behind camera.
So here is my onions, the bonnet pepper and the chili pepper. Add a little water, not too much please. Then cover, and
Now it is time for me to go and blend. Please take note that I'm going to blend it to rough smooth, not perfectly smooth. Take note, you will get to know this later. Apapa, as it is fondly called in Kogi by the Ebira people, is made from black-eyed beans. This dish is naturally packed with protein, fiber, iron, and energy-boosting nutrients that keep you full, strong, and satisfied. It is a perfect option for anyone looking for a wholesome, balanced meal that tastes amazing and nourishes the body. Stay with me and discover the beauty, the taste, and the unbeaten nourishment packed inside every bite of this special beans bread recipe.
now I finish blending. Look at the texture. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Can you see? Rough, smooth. Or please tell me in the comment, how can we describe it? This is the way we do it. And so I will pour it into another bowl now.
The one and only reason why this recipe is special is adding potash. The potash makes it to rise like a bread, and that is why we call it beans bread. It looks like a bread. So it's time for me to add the ingredient now. That's the salt, and here is the potash already soaked in water. Then the seasoning cube. I have my onions already diced, and here comes in the vegetable oil.
And also the red oil. The red oil I needed to not bleach, but just to make to dissolve it. Yes, I dissolve it because it looks very thick. So I needed to just put it on the fire. This will make my batter look smooth like this and not separated. The oil will not be separated from the batter. Everything will look very smooth and neatly mixed like this. I need to add a little more water because I feel it's very thick. Well, this now depends on your preference, although don't make it too soft. These are my eggs, the regular egg, and the garden egg has been cut into cubes. So I prep my leaf now. I've already washed the leaves as you can see it. So it's time to wrap. Please wash carefully.
Before we continue, if you are enjoying this recipe and you love discovering rich Nigerian delicacies like this, please tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss any of my new videos. Now let's get back to the cooking.
I'm done with the egg. This is time for the garden egg. So I just pour in the garden egg and mix everything together. Please take note that you can just prepare this beans bread recipe without adding either of the eggs. This is just my own twist to it. At times, I can decide to add fish. It depends on your preference. So I continue the process and apology, I missed out on the other steps, especially when I arranged it on the fire. My camera went off. So these are the beans bread already cooking on the stove. So you don't need to add too much water at a time, just a little at a time, and check often. So after about 1 hour, 10 minutes, everything is done. And wow, it is time for me to eat. This is it's very hot. This thing is so hot, so hot, so hot. So I have, I did two eggs recipe. One for garden egg, the other is egg. So let's cut and see. Wow, this is the garden egg. If you have ever tasted this, you will see that, oh my mind. And this is the egg one. Yes. Oh, can you see? Please just go to the comment section and tell me which of these did you prefer. For me, the garden egg one tastes so nice, so natural. You will love it.
And there you have it, our delicious beans bread in two amazing varieties, the protein-packed egg version and the wholesome antioxidant-rich garden egg version. Healthy, filling, and full of flavor from the very first bite. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment telling me which version you like to try first. Your support helps me bring more amazing recipes from Nigerians straight to your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.